morning. How are we doing? Pretty much guarantee you're not doing as well as me. I am having a whale of a time. I was riding the A86. 100% recommend the A86. It is absolutely brilliant road. Obviously I'm now on the A82. It's good. It's an enjoyable road. The A86 is so much better. You know, the mental thing about this is I am not even breaking the speed limit. It's a 60 mile an hour road and I'm doing 52 to 55 mile an hour quite happily, and I'm enjoying it. Absolutely no need to break the speed limit. God, I wish I had roads like this where I lived. I'd never be off the bike. Oh God, apart from that bit. Bit of respite. So today we are actually off to Loch Ness. I mean, you can't come to Scotland without going to Loch Ness, can you? I mean, obviously if you're up that way. But two of the guys, Stuart and Eric, they've both decided to go to Skye today on their little day trip, which is fine. I've got Alan, Paul and Roger with me today. I'm leading. I don't really know how or why, but I am. This is just like non-stop, this road. Actually no, not this road, this country is just non-stop. England, take note, this road surface, not perfect, but God it is close. It is miles better than we've got. And it's not even just the road surface, it's actually like, it's got corners and stuff. Proper corners. Not like the crap we've got at home. Makes having a bike worth it living up here, I tell you. No wonder you've all got bikes in Scotland. And everyone comes to Scotland to visit. It's, look. It's just, I don't know, look. And then you come around the corner and you've got a scenery like that. It's just, I don't know. And it's still a 60 mile an hour road. So I can't understand. It's 60 mile an hour road. I mean, I'm doing 55 and this is plenty fast enough. I don't need to go any faster than that. I mean, I know obviously there's people in the comments who say, yeah, you go loads faster than that. Yeah, you probably could. But why? Why risk it? I'm having loads of fun. I'm safe. I'm below the speed limit. That's cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. God, I sounded a bit Scottish then, didn't I? No, I'm joking, I know it. Whoa, what's he doing in the middle of the road? If I could have stopped there, I would have done, but look at that. That is... Next day by sea, I'm going to stop. What's that?
Chicken strips are getting small.
So we just had a bit of a stop off. We see a Scottish couple. They told us to come to the, what is it? The Royal Marine Commando Memorial. Yeah, something like that anyway. Yeah, so I thought I'd have a little stop on and have a look. Scenery is phenomenal. So yeah, we'll have a look round the memorial and have a look at the scenery and hopefully get the drone up. Let's go and have a look. Guys, back of the bike, that was a little stop off for you. Let me get this right. The Royal Marine Commando Memorial. There you go. They were 3 bronze statues of Royal Marines, apparently, according to actually served, according to some guy that we met. But we are now en route to Loch Ness area, so hello in, how you doing? Oh, I can't keep shaking my head. How you doing? Another GS, there's a shock. We're now en route to Loch Ness, so I will speak to you when I get there. How we doing? Welcome to Fort Augustus, gateway to Loch Ness. So we have made it to Fort Augustus, obviously, there's a big sign there, and we're stuck in traffic. See, a really busy place, or it's just something happening down there. But I really need to go to the toilet, so I hope it doesn't last too long. And well, yeah.
Waiting for a car park.
I don't know what's going on.
Bridge.
Oh, is it? Ah, that would explain a lot. Well, the bridge is up. We ain't got far. There's so many bikes in Scotland. I know they're obviously most of them are tourists, but right, park up and I'll come back to you. Yeah. That was a little bit of a walk around Fort Augustus, isn't it? Fort Augustus, that's one, isn't it? And the loch that goes to Loch Ness, and which is what we're now walking to, Loch Ness. I tell you what, I'm so unfit. I'm already flagging. It has got a nice breeze today, as you probably tell on the camera. But it's still nice and sunny, so it's all good. Look at that. There's a geezer down on the bike. Guess what we're going to try and do? We need to get our bikes down there. That is the plan. It's got to be done. Agree?
Definitely, yeah. We can get down there.
So just say that again, Paul. What did you just say?
Me?
Yeah, about the locks.
Yeah. If you take all of the locks that are in Scotland,
Yeah.
Loch Ness holds more than all of the rest put together. More water.
It's quite a bit of water, isn't it?
Yeah, an awful lot.
Right, old boy?
Yes, thanks. Son.
Yeah, we think we found the road because obviously it's heading back down to Loch Ness. It's getting bloody warm again as well. We're only be saying 14 degrees, but trust me, it feels a lot hotter. Whoa. What the fuck? Right, I'm good. Let's go. Where are we going? Oh. Oh yeah, for the waterfall. Yeah. Right, this will be interesting. Let's see where we end up. What's the matter?
I see. I put the postcode in. That takes up the A9 rather than.
Postcode for where?
Well, back to the campsite. And
I thought you was going to the waterfall.
I thought these didn't want to go.
Oh, do you not want to go to the waterfall? Have you found it?
Yeah.
Because mine's saying hole. Mine ain't finding it.
Well, mine's saying we should get there by 2:16. That must be just up there.
Just up the road then, that sounds about right, yeah. Because shoot, it's on the map, it's only down the road, so...
Yeah, I'll lead that then.
Yep. That's worrying. Because Alan's got a habit of getting us severely lost. We haven't even left Fort Augusta yet, and we've got to turn around because we've gone the wrong way. Alan's missed the junction. 250 quid here waiting. oh. Well, me and Paul bought admission.
Clever ones.
Yeah. Me and Paul bought admission and just sent the drone up.